Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today na your first day, you just come across my video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Anytime I upload video, you will be the first person, because when you go hit your phone bang down, you know say Vivian Dave don't throw video there. Just rush down and watch the video. May you see the message when it can't drop, or if not food, may you see the delete so when it can't drop for YouTube. So this message, I get one message from one lady. The lady dey hospital now. My dear people, don't be small thing. For waiting, you be like say go use the hand take buy roti mango. You know say basket of mango when he go carry e roti. The face, you just see the one they take arrange am for up. You know say if you buy tomatoes, the up go fresh, the down go roti, the ones when not ripe go dey the down. Now so this lady take go buy this roti mango man. Why I talk as say na roti mango man? God forgive me oh. Why I talk that word say because this lady e dey Europe here. E come see this man through, they can't jam body through Facebook. He can't go see the man for Nigeria. After I see the man for Nigeria, they come marry. As they marry finish, he can't come, he process the document for Europe here. After I process the document finish, he can't go carry the man come. As the man just come, my people, story. As the man just come finish, when he just get the document, and so he gave it. The man run, he no fit wear shoe. Ordinary leg he take run comot. Wetin happen? Wetin make am run reach that stage when he no fit wear shoe? I don't know. Even if say una get misunderstanding, at least the misunderstanding na wetin una go settle together. Una, because una no know each other before. Now everybody come in different home, so we can't join together as husband and wife. Now for we to work at hand together so that we go fit build that marriage, fit build that love, build that understanding. If you dey stay one room before, they fit tell you say you no go stay one room, but because of say you get your partner when they come now, you will need to go carry house when, because they will tell you the quarter meter when they say go contain you and that man. Then you can't go carry house finish, they process the man document finish, or the woman document finish, you can't carry and come. Go can't get document finish, you go can't work and leave. You go tell you say you're a pekus, you know, arrange well, or your walking stick, you know the work well. You know for test am for bongo. You know test am, you know say as it be before. Why you not discharge am when you see am for bongo? You not see am for bongo say this kind of person, you not supposed don't know person when get character before you accept say you won't come. You come here finish, you don't get what you get finish. Now you go jam another woman, go meet another woman. You can't put that one for, you can't let that one go land for hospital. All this kind of thing not good now. You forget say if they do it to your sister or they do it to your brother, you go like them. What you know say you know they not go do it to you, you not go like them. Why you they do it to another person? See the innocent woman at the hospital now. They do like person when head not correct, because not be waiting he expect. Now I come meet them. You know say when you trust person, when you don't know what the person go do to you, can't do it to you. If you make you go, if you make person crazy, because you don't expect them. Even when family go say no do, I don't want. Go find another man from another place. Either you find man for where you there, or you can't find man for another Nigeria. But this Facebook man, when you carry console, we don't want him. But no, she go against him. Against waiting the family talk. He put that trust in you. At the end, you use them rub. No, poto too small. Poto at least you go clean the poto. You use a raw pepper. Pepper, you know as pepper, they take the pepper person. When they go grand fresh pepper, when they pepper that poko na pepper, when they say the pepper, they can't use and rub you for body. You know as it take the pepper now. Now so. All these things not good, that big. No, because of you won't come Europe. Hot another man picking. You will come see person when you carry you come out for that bongo. that poto country, that country when nothing there inside. Come see person when come manage carry you come for there finish. He say of you to after God, now the person then be the next person, because the person can't carry you come finish. You can't tell and say you know what time or you not get respect or you not happy cook. Cool. Now say they go. Hush. Why some people know they jump some people? They oh God do where? He gas everything they be sha. Because if some people when their head not there as na jam that kind man, they will make sure say they twist in walk stick, they'll twist and go back. No, I'm not saying me not fight that kind of man, no. But the gas will take handle that kind of man issue. You understand? Because that man, that person, it don't make sense. It don't make sense for you to hurt another man picking like that. Either you be woman or you be man when do that kind of thing. It's not good. Think and say, hey, that person na your sister or na your brother, they do and to run. How it go be? Or tomorrow now you can't dey see wetin come dey when come dey punish you now. Wetin you want talk? You go say na witch wizard or na the person na go use sham do you. Whereas now wetin you use your hand to do, because God they see that person tears. God they see that person pain when you carry and pass. Sickness when not be on when you put for him body. God they see you. It is say you go free. You not go free. Who point one hand to a person? You know na big pass. You know the way for him for front. Or anywhere you want, if na back you want way from, if na side, you know the way for him. I beg. You don't go see person when go be say go come help you finish. You don't go. Instead of you to love that person, cherish that person. Even if the person not sabi cook or the person not get character, you can still work it. Either you be man or you be woman, you can work it. Work on with your hand, put everything for God. Everything go dey possible. You know if you just jump person, me you just understand that person that very day when you jam her. Now, and I know say some they purposely they do am. This person understand the still dey your own part. Some they your purposely they do am. They just because they don't want that person. They'll just make sure say he suffer. You know they okay. I bet when I stop all this back character one that they do so. Why be say everything? Even now you see who they bongo now. Nobody won't go carry their come. Even if na get the whole love, you know they go because different thing when they hear. Either na man carry come or woman carry come, na problem. The rest people when they that side, fear no go let them say they won't carry. Fear people no go let people when they say won't go carry one person come for that side. Because now don't spoil everything. Now don't spoil everything because you go the fear. And then a man or a woman go say, let me go carry. I bet myself refine for a year. Then the ones when come to that side don't come. Okay, if all of us marry for a year, the ones when come to bongo go. Who want marry them? The man or the women then. Who want marry them when all of us will marry for a year? Because the fear. I think go marry come now. I don't know what that one go. I don't know what you go come to. May not come make me come to pass through this stress when this social person they pass through. Now what think that person go they think now? You go yourself find who you want marry. If not you boy want marry. Even if na Arab, you go suffer marry. Go yourself rest for you because if you can't go bongo now, say you want go marry one man come or one woman come now, come turn to another thing. Even if na old woman I see for you, go your old man I see for you, go yourself remarry, get peace. Then you go that side, go marry, come finish. You'll be like saying because of abroad, now you accept the woman. Or now because of abroad, you accept the man. Okay, the time when the man come meet you, when the man come that side, you know no say the walk stick, not the walk, or a pekus not sweet rich. When you supposed to reject them, but because say you won't come abroad, you accept everything finish. You can't finish now. Now you can't show your character out. Now you can't let them know say your head not theirs. Now they watch what they do to another man picking because now they come for back. Now they come for front, they wait for now. So wanna stop all these things. Now because of this lady, when this lady tell me I had the tears for her. Because the thing is so touch. Not be after the suffer, when person suffer for you. See many people when they deport. When they say they don't get document, when they deport every day. One person can't suffer, get that, can't pass all those stress finish, can't get document finish. Come suffer finish, come get document finish, come carry you, come go marry you, come. You come reach here finish, come tell am say e no be am. Ha! And you can't let that person go land for hospital. Easy to you know easy oh. Easy to talk and come out. You know wetin you wan feel for there. Easy to do wetin you do, but you know the pain when you wan make that person pass through. Abeg. Time e don reach time when we go take stop all these things because we don dey mature. As we don dey mature, we no dey let them dey know say na because of abroad na we dey come. Because of say something when dey here na we dey come. Okay, the woman when you leave her for go the woman when you go meet na come better pass am. That one you don't know wetin dey mean. They know say all women not be the same. Oh. They see good, they see bad woman, they see women when get character, they see the one not get character. But how you go to work on na be the thing. Try and work on. If you go, at least try and work on. Improvement go dey. I beg I dey. We need to stop to do all this kind of character because they don't know us now. Say Nigeria. If you go carry the con wahala, you even see the ones for here. Now problem. I beg. So I don't wrap up my video. I will wrap up my video here. So if you never subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys and stay blessed by that. Wanna put a thumbs up? Put thumbs up for this video. I love you guys.